Hey everyone, welcome back to Auburn Clare Beauty. I have a great video planned today. I have a fun video planned today. But before we get started, I wanted to say I hope everyone here in the US had a wonderful 4th of July yesterday and maybe got a chance to spend some time with some family and friends, especially since we didn't get to last year. For those of you who are outside of the US, I hope you had a fantastic Sunday. And again, you yourselves got to spend some time or make some connection with some family and friends. Today, I have, like I said, a fun video. I have my little fluorescent yellow going on here. And check this out, I even have, so yes, that's right. Those are screws in my ears. I love these earrings. I tell you, one of these days, and I mean this, I want to go out with without one of them in my ears. So then I'd be walking around and someone could stop me and say, hey, is that a screw in your ear? And I'll be like, why, yes it is. Well, I think you lost the other one. And then I can go, oh my gosh, you're right. Dang it, I knew I had a screw loose. That's right, I'll be here all week. So today we're gonna do something fun, vibrant. Oh my God. Holy Toledo Batman. Shoot, I thought it was an hour earlier. I'm late. But I still need to make this video. Okay, people, change of plans. We're switching gears. I am super late, but I still need makeup face. We're gonna jump right in. I'm gonna go with this Peach Concealer by Ulta Beauty. It's just a color corrector. I'm gonna put this in the corner of my eyes right here to cover up some bluish gray color I have right there, some darkness. Peach cancels out that bluish gray color. So boop, 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 boop. We're dabbing, boop, boop, boop. That's right. I find when I'm late, sound effects help. And I take the sponge and I move it back and forth, the butt end to the pointy end, just to get this blended in, just like that. And I'm gonna zoom you in just a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. Now I'm going to take a little paper towel right here and just dab that right on in here, taking up the excess. Okay, grabbing the concealer now. This is Benefit Boy & Cakeless Concealer number 4. I'm going to just dab right on the sides right here. Take that same sponge and then I'm just going to bring it across like so. Just dab, 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 dab. I'm not rubbing, I am dabbing. I'm protecting that under eye skin. Boop, boop, boop. There we go. Yes, I am moving and grooving, people. I have places to be. There. Now, you see, we color, just brightened up this eye area a little bit here. Now, same set sponge, I'm gonna just tap some of these spots on my neck and my face that are sticking out a little bit with redness, little ditzels on my face. Little places I want to give just a little extra coverage right here. Okay, we're done with that. Got my little blotting towel again. We're gonna blot right under the eyes right here. There we go, taking off some of that excess. I'm gonna grab my Coty Airspun powder. I'm gonna grab just a nice kind of floofy brush, take some powder off here, and then I'm gonna put it just right under the eye, setting that makeup. Pulling that face down a little bit to get those wrinkles out. Take this paper towel, wipe off the excess of the brush, and again, going back in to wipe off any excess under the eyes. Now, I'm gonna pull that concealer back out again. And instead of just dabbing this right on my face in those troubled areas, I'm gonna take a brush right here, and I'm gonna just pull some of that concealer off and then use the brush and my finger to smooth it on. It's not going to cover everything fully. I'm not looking for it to. I'm just looking for it to cover up the major colors differences here, just so these areas don't stick out. A little bit down in this area right here. And then I'm going to pull just a little bit more right up on the forehead. And you see back and forth between the brush and the fingers. The reason I do this is because if I use just the doe foot applicator, it's going to put too much, and then I'm going to be wasting my time here trying to clean that off, saying, dang it, that's just too much. Get frustrated and no good. So we got the concealer on. Now I do have some bags under my eyes. Gotta love allergy season. I'm using Kat Von D's Shade and Light palette, and we're just gonna take care of some of those bags under the eyes. I am using the yellow color right here and this lighter peach color right here. I'm just gonna tap into both of those. And now I'm just gonna go and highlight right under the eye, right under the bag, I should say, just like that. And dip it in more, and right on the other side. Pull you in just a little closer so you can see that a little bit better. And I use my finger to kind of blend it in. I don't push it up, I pull it down, tap or gently pull, gently tap, pull down. Other side, again, I'm going up and just coming down to where it's underneath the bag, and again, tapping underneath. Because when you look then straight on, all of a sudden, that shadow that the bag makes disappears. Boop, 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 boop. And now, see, that looks much better. It's not so prominent. Okay, that is all I'm gonna do for the face. Now I'm gonna go for the blush. I should say for foundation and concealer. That is it. So now I'm gonna go for the blush. I am using Wet n Wild Pearlescent Peach. You can see I've used this quite a bit. I want to use this color because it has a little bit of a shimmer to it. So that'll kind of act as my highlight too. So I tap it on the apples and then bring the brush down and across, tap, 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 down and across. Again, just bringing out that color a little bit. Other side, tap, 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 across, tap, tap, tap. And then I'm gonna just dust the rest of my face with this pretty color, warming up the whole face and just giving it a little wash of color. Okay, now we're gonna do the eyes right here. So I need to prime them real quick and then add a little color, a little lash. So I'm gonna use a MAC Painterly Paint Pot, a little brush to just dab that on the eyelid, just to cancel out the veins and the coloration that are on my lids naturally, just to even out the tone. Okay, that is it. And that's gonna help it look like you actually have shadow on and lay the basis. I'm gonna grab that powder again and take a little bit of that just to set that primer I put on there. You can use concealer too. You do not have to use something different like I'm doing. A concealer works just fine on this look, on the eyes. So we're gonna do shadow next. Anything that has some kind of shimmery or shininess to it, something bright and fun. I have with me Flower Beauty Cosmetics. This is their Wanderlust palette. That's LA Hollywood Hills. I love these colors. I'm gonna use this one right here. It's super bright. It's gonna match that fluorescent yellow on my shirt. So it is kind of, you can see it kind of flakes a little bit, so you have to be careful. But we're gonna just dab it on the eyes. Woo! We'll fix that. If you get some fallout on your face, which I'm doing, I'm gonna grab that paper towel and just kind of move it along my cheek, add a little extra highlight with it, make it work for you. It is all good. Again, going to the other eye, same deal. It's gonna be a little bit messy, that's okay. Just kind of work it in real quick. So you gotta love the fingers. They do some great finger painting here. Now, if you can't get into those inner corners, get a tiny little brush, dab it into that color, and just tap it into those inner corners, just like I'm doing. And again, I'm gonna brush some of that fallout right along my cheek. That's it for that. I am not bothered to lining my eyes or anything. We are gonna grab a couple of tools here. Lash curler, mascara, and then we'll do the brows last. So I'm gonna zoom this out just a little bit here so you can see. So lash curler, I'm gonna give these lashes a curl because I want that mascara to help open up these eyes, and it does that best when these lashes are curled upward. I'm using L'Oreal Lash Paradise in soft black, or just black, oh, black noir, excuse me, black noir. So we're just going to give it a good coating of mascara here. Both sides. And now I grab the bottom lashes here. There. Now we have a little bit, we have some brightness on the eyes. You can see the eyes have been opened up right here. They look a lot bluer, they look a lot bigger. Last thing I want to do is I want to do my brows. Right now I'm using the Wet n Wild micro brow pencil in like the soft brown, and I'm going to brush them upward, give them a little pull down, brush up, a little pull down on the angle. Now I'm using the little pencil side right here. Maybe not quite that much. There we go. And I'm just filling in a little bit here and there. Just a little bit of detail, a little bit of color. Then I brush up again, pull down. That's it for the eyes. I'm not doing anything else for the eyes. The last little thing is the lips. Pardon me. I'm gonna reach down here. I got this about a year ago. This is Ulta Beauty's lip glossary. Yes, I have a couple missing, but they have different, it's glosses, it's tinted like lip oil, it's matte lipstick, and regular lipstick. It's like little trials of all of those different kinds. And I am using just their lip gloss in this nice little peachy shade right here. I just want to give my lips a little hint of color. And a little bit of shine. Scooch it just a little so you can kind of see that makeup just a little bit better. Super easy, super natural. That is it. That is it. That's all I'm gonna do. I have a face on, I look better, I feel better. If you like this video and the content I do, please like, subscribe, and share. Be sure to hit that notification bell to be notified of all my upcoming videos. And also, if you want to check out a couple of the looks I've done that are not posted on YouTube, I'll leave those links below. Again, have an awesome day, and I'll catch you next time. We'll see ya.